Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a managed infrastructure in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Slack app, like this. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to go into a channel, like this. Then we tap on Connect Apps. And here, after the app has redirected us, we just tap on the 4 parallel lines in the top right corner. Then we tap on Build. Here in this section, we just have to scroll down, and under Deploy IDS Faster, tap on Managed Infrastructure, like this. And after the app has loaded, we are presented with some explanations and some steps on how to create a managed infrastructure, thereby making our workflows easier and our Slack more personalized. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.